is Anya, and today I really want to make some paleo shortbread with coconut flour. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with a 1/4 cup of warmed up coconut oil, add in a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, a 1/2 cup of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Spoon the mixture onto a baking tray and flatten out. Place in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Allow the cookies to rest on the baking tray for 15 minutes. This is to ensure that they firm up and not crumble.